Well, got the snag. And the same thing that I just snagged, I lost this like last week in the river, and I got it back. Put your seatbelts on. Okay. Okay now. Okay. Holy man, that's one day. Well, it's time to call it a day before Christian blows away in the wind. Maybe next time. Hopefully next time this fluffy stuff's not everywhere. Getting all stuck to everything. Just caught my second goldeye. I think it's a goldeye or a moon. I caught it on a little tiny, what do you call those, crankbait?
Yep.
Ooh, holy man. Look, oh, they're so beautiful. Look at that. We seen it feeding and I caught it. This guy, the last one I caught was pretty sensitive, so hopefully this guy's not. Look at that beauty.
Absolute angel. The gorgeous treasures of the North Sask.
We seen it pop up and feed, and he's hungry. Oh yeah, there we go. Good. See, same as the last one, real slow. There it is right there. Well, I finally put an end to the skunk. I wasn't recording when I caught it, but that's okay. And I caught that guy on this. It's from the Dollarama. It's a little, what do you call these? Crankbait? Rattle?
Just a shallow runner.
A shallow runner. I caught that goldeye or moon eye. I'm pretty sure it was a goldeye. But yeah. Just caught this little sauger on this blue geegie. First fish on this hook as well. Perfect. Hook set right in the lip. Come on. Well, maybe if you just let go, open your mouth. It's in there, good.
Nice little gentle bop. It just can't be done by hand, because it's directly in the jaw bone.
Yeah. Really good hook set on this one. It wasn't coming up. There we go.
Awesome possum. Beautiful sauceum.
Oh.
Wow.
See all your friends? Look at the crayfish. You gonna go play?
Snack.
You're so slimy. There we go. Now he's breathing finally. Oh. Oh God, why is it crayfish? Whoa.
Whoa.
Oh. Shit. He's right there. He can just kill himself. Buddy! You're so dramatic!
Long way.
Okay, hang on. Ugh.